Welcome to video 6, the last of this series of videos on mediation and the process of mediation. In this video, I talk about using your solicitors most cost and time effectively. I also address how to conclude your mediation and how to get more information about not just mediation, but everything to do with your separation, whether you are ready to proceed or still considering it. One distinguishing difference between mediation and other processes is that anything you say during mediation is confidential. It is a voluntary process from which you can withdraw at any time. As well, your mediator is required to keep confidential what is said in the mediation sessions unless there is a need to protect a child, prevent injury to a person, damage to property, or the prevention of some criminal act. It's really important to remember that what is said during a mediation session may not be used in evidence in any other family law proceedings. If you come to mediation with a want to resolve a dispute, an openness to consider new options, and a willingness to find a point of compromise, then mediation is right for you. The alternatives to mediation are to continue the conflict, employ a solicitor to negotiate for you, do nothing, in which case nothing will happen until someone is ready to change it. At Northern Beaches Mediation, we offer all new clients a free 20-minute consultation to assess whether mediation is appropriate for you. So if you are thinking about using mediation to help resolve a dispute, feel free to give us a call. We would be happy to answer any questions you might have over the phone, or you can come in and speak with us. If mediation seems appropriate, we will then advance to a more formal meeting. After we have assessed with you the suitability of mediation, we then give you a choice. Either you can extend an invitation to the other party or parties to contact our office, or, if you prefer, we send a letter of invitation to them on your behalf. If the other person does not contact Northern Beaches Mediation, our involvement ends. You will be notified of the situation and we will advise you further at the time about your future options. If you wish, you can ask for a support person to come to your mediation session. The only proviso here is that all people involved must agree on who is attending before the session is held. Support people may attend if required, though they may not participate in the session. If you wish to bring a support person with you, raise this with us when arranging the mediation. Witnesses are not necessary, as the mediator is not there to assess the situation or to make decisions. For parenting agreements, solicitors are generally not required as mediation is not a legal process. However, people utilising mediation for property agreements should seek legal advice before offering any proposals and certainly before signing any agreements. Agreements made in mediation are not legally binding. The agreements are made in good faith, and it is up to the parties to keep the agreement. If you have any concerns regarding this, speak with us first. You can do this by requesting a private session at any time during the mediation process. The best mediation is where a couple separating find agreement that both of them are happy with. Sometimes this might mean a compromise. It is important to always keep the end goal in mind when negotiating agreements and, as we will, always keep your children as the most important consideration. At the end of the mediation, and if you wish, Northern Beaches Mediation will write up the agreement for you. You may sign or not sign this written agreement as you choose. It is really just a reminder of the details discussed in mediation and the agreements reached. Also, if you wish to submit the agreement to the family court for consent orders, we recommend you employ a solicitor to present the document for you on your behalf. So in conclusion, mediation is a way to help you with your separation. It is much more user, cost and time effective than using your solicitors alone or using the family court to find resolution. Give us a call or email us if you think it might be the way to go for you, and we'll help you assess the best way for this to happen. In the meanwhile, feel free to check out our website. There is loads of information and articles to ensure you have all you need to help you make the best decisions for you, your children, and your future. For those of you who are already familiar with this site, or with my other sites, you will know that fresh information goes up every week, so come back regularly and check what's new. If you want to make sure that you don't miss any of it, head on over to the site and request a copy of my newsletter to be sent to you. It comes out regularly and has lots of information and articles about what's new and what we're doing. Alternatively, join me on Twitter or Facebook. You'll find links to all of these from my site. We are here to help you any way we can. In the meanwhile, be sure to visit us at www.northernbeachesmediation.com.au to get more information.